Our planet's wild spaces are under threat. As vital conservation funds vanish, a critical gap emerges in protecting precious habitats. But in Florida, a powerful new force is stepping up, the Miccosukee Tribe. They're embarking on a bold mission to buy back crucial lands for wildlife. Their vision is to create an expansive corridor, a lifeline for endangered species like the elusive Florida panther. Imagine connecting an incredible 18 million acres of wilderness. This isn't just land. It's a profound investment in biodiversity and a vital step for our planet's future. This monumental effort needs our attention. Will you stand with them in this crucial fight for nature's survival? Every voice, every action truly counts.